Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to show touches in screen recordings on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Now right here we have to scroll down and find this additional settings option. Right here we have to go to the screen recorder, and right here we have the show touch gestures and show button taps that we can turn on just by clicking buttons next to it. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!